Hey, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. I created this channel so that anyone who wants to learn harmonica can get free, top quality lessons from absolute beginner to advanced. In less than a minute, I'm going to give you a little tour. I put out free lessons every single week. You'll see them arranged into playlists of different genres: pop, rock, blues, country, and various other things, and also into levels. So we've got beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I also have playlists on key harmonica skills and techniques and interviews with top players so you can learn what it is that makes them so great. Finally, there's a section on maintaining and repairing your instrument as you learn to play. I take requests for lessons, so you can always ask me for something you'd really like to learn, and I try and do as many of them as possible. If you're new around here, just click the Playlists tab to find everything you'll need to get started. Wishing you the best of luck with your harmonica playing, and I hope to see you in a class soon.